It's been so hot lately. And since October began, the afternoon sun has been hitting my balcony directly, making it feel even warmer. My balcony faces 198 degrees, mostly south-facing with a slight southwest angle. Because of this, the sun's path has a big impact on how much light it gets. From October to March, the sun's angle shifts and brings direct sunlight onto my balcony, with a peak exposure in December. But from April to September, the sun's path shifts away, so my balcony stays mostly shaded. During these sunnier months, some of my plants receive too much direct sunlight, which can lead to leaf burn and dehydration. The intense sunlight also streams into the room adjacent to the balcony, making it feel warmer too. So here's what I do at the beginning of these high sun season. Certain plants, especially those sensitive to direct sunlight, need extra shade during these intense months. I move them to naturally shaded spots, under larger plants, or tucked behind bushier ones for added protection. Sometimes I even move them to my other mostly shaded balcony. With a high ceiling on this balcony, I can keep some trees here, which act as natural canopies during the intense sunlight months. I place smaller plants directly under these trees for shade. I've also positioned my Australian umbrella tree at the balcony's edge to shade the outdoor dining area and help keep the adjacent room cooler. I adjust my watering schedule based on the season. Plants dry out faster in the high sun months, so I check soil moisture more often. My auto irrigation system is a big help. But I also monitor some plants manually to make sure they're hydrated without being overwatered. The warmer months bring pest challenges like spider mites and aphids, which thrive in the heat. I check leaves and stems regularly and apply organic pesticides more often to prevent outbreaks. Sometimes, I also use a diluted mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water. Carefully wiping off pests from the leaves to keep them under control without harming the plant. During hot weather like this, plants tend to grow more slowly and need less fertilizer. To avoid stressing their roots, I either skip fertilizing or dilute it. Normally, I apply a fertilizer early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent evaporation. By making these seasonal adjustments, I can keep my balcony garden thriving, despite the shifting sun and heat. And as the sun changes its path again in April, I'll reset everything to keep my plants happy.